Section 3.4 today. We're not going to finish it. Clearly, we will not finish it. We're going to start it today. We're going to learn how to refresh our memory on how to multiply fractions and mixed numbers. So hopefully you've got your note packets out in front of you, your pencils are ready, and we're going to do example 1. First thing I want you to do is write example 1 vertically instead of the way that it is there typed. Have a hard time typing it vertically, so it's just a little easier to do it sideways. Okay? Now, the cool thing about multiplying fractions is you don't need a common denominator, so let's make a note here off to the side. Don't need a common denominator. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the fact that 8 and 3 are two different denominators. It's okay. It's okay. So all you do is you do exactly what it says. It says to multiply these two fractions together. So let's start with the numerator up top. What's 5 times 2?
10.
Okay. What's 8 times 3?
24.
24. And then, can you possibly reduce 10 over 24?
Yes.
By what number?
2.
So let's reduce it top and bottom, and you'll end up with 5/12. And that's your answer. Okay? In just a second, there's another way I want you to look at this as well. And I love this way just as much. I'm going to write it kind of small over here in the corner. But what we did was we multiplied first, and then we reduced and got our answer. I'm going to show you how you can reduce first, then multiply. Reducing your numbers in the midst of the problem, doing that first, may actually be easier in the long run. So what you're looking for is you're looking for the diagonals. Okay, so let's look at 5 and 3. Okay. So here's the 5 and here's the 3. Is there a number besides 1 that can reduce 5 and 3?
Yes. No.
No, they're both prime, and they don't reduce each other. So we can't cross cancel 5 and 3. Okay? What reduces 2 and 8? Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. Because you're looking at the diagonals. The first diagonal, 5 and 3, nothing reduces it. But we know that 2 will reduce 2, and 2 also reduces 8. So what's 2 divided by 2? 1. What's 8 divided by 2? 4. And then you multiply straight across. What's 5 times 1?
That's so much easier.
And what's 4 times 3?
It's faster. That's way.
Well, it does. Listen to this. I know some of you are kind of debating whether it's faster or not. It's faster when the numbers are bigger, because when you can't do your mental math, cross-canceling is a great way to do it, and it reduces the numbers, and you can maintain your mental math and keep zipping right through it. Okay? So
just do like 10 divided by 2.
yeah, we did that. We already did that. That was our first strategy. This strategy up top is multiplying and then reducing. This strategy reduces first, then multiplies and gets the answer. But you see, we got the same exact answer. All right, let me take some questions. Anna.
Actually, I want to do
You want to do some examples? Okay. Anna, come do A.
Can I use the video? I want to use the video.
You guys can share. Just
I want to use it.
it's okay.
Wait.
Orthos.
Okay. Is she pointing to me? Did you see? 5, 6.
See.
Oh, okay. Times. Anna, stop. Stop.
You go sit down. If you're not going to let her see, you go sit down. There you go. Now she didn't cross cancel, but she didn't have to. You can multiply first and then reduce it later. That's fine.
Oh, I'm going in her way.
That's okay. We have an eraser. We can make it work.
20 divided 2
There you go.
divided by 10 is 3.
I totally agree. All right, hand off to Anna. Good job. That's the answer. could she have cross-canceled?
Oh, I don't like to.
Okay. What happens with the 5s?
One.
They both become 1. And then-
1 times 2.
Yeah, you can reduce 4 and 6.
2.
I'll show you with the expo marker.
Wait, what's
Go ahead, you do that one. See, here's the cross-canceling. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then multiply straight across the top. There's 2 over 3. Looks great. Looks great. So if we practice it more, this is actually a skill. When the numbers are low, like what we're working on right now, not a big deal, okay? You don't have to cross-cancel, but I promise you, please don't be intimidated. Don't be afraid to try some cross-canceling, because as you get bigger fractions, it will benefit you to be able to do this. It speeds up my algebra students a lot, okay?
That's fine enough.
All right, let's see how Anna did. She did 3/5 times a 4th. Exactly right. Just multiply straight across the top. We got 3 times 1 is 3, 5 times 4 is 20, 3/20. Now I can tell, because we didn't need to reduce that fraction, I can tell that I won't be able to cross cancel, because nothing reduces 3 and 4 except 1, and you don't want to divide a number by 1. It doesn't help you, it doesn't get you anywhere. And then 1 and 5 won't reduce. So you couldn't have cross-canceled even if you wanted to on, thank you, on letter A. All right, let's see how Watson did. Watson got 8/15. Looks great. So no complaints there. How are we good on that one? You understand how to multiply? So I am going to challenge you with the cross-canceling, but when we get to higher numbers, and you will see that you would probably want to cross-cancel. That would be a better idea. Okay? So let's put those papers away. Thank you so much for your attention. And we will,